Have you ever wondered why we spend about a third of our lives asleep? It might seem like a waste of time, but sleep is actually one of the most important things we do for our bodies and brains. Think of sleep as your body's essential pit stop. It's when your muscles repair, your cells regenerate, and your energy stores get replenished. Your brain, too, gets a much-needed break to recharge and prepare for the next day. Sleep is like a superpower for your memory. While you're snoozing, your brain actively processes and consolidates all the information you learned during the day, moving it from temporary storage to long-term memory. It's how you remember facts, skills, and experiences. During deep sleep, your brain even has its own special cleaning service. A system called the glymphatic system kicks into high gear, essentially flushing out harmful waste products that build up while you're awake. It's like a tiny, intricate plumbing system for your brain. Sleep also helps you hit the reset button on your emotions. A good night's rest helps you process feelings, reduce stress, and improve your mood, making you more resilient and better equipped to handle challenges. So next time you feel sleepy, remember that it's not a luxury, but a vital necessity. It's how your body and mind stay healthy, sharp, and happy, ready to take on the world. Subscribe for more fun facts.